Hello everyone. Today, I got a package from Amazon. Regular Amazon. Camera can get picked it up. There it is. I crossed out everything so you guys would not stalk me. And I already know what's in this package. Really excited. Be using a Victorinox. I'm stupid. Wenger. Right here. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. I pronounce it. Get this knife. Opening this knife with one hand is not that simple. So, let's bust into the package. So, this is a Zippo. Here, hold it with my leg. Damage. Insides. Let me just cut the tape. Alright, cut the tape. And the label that we're on. Get out the way. The fuck out the way. Alright. Don't know what that's supposing. Nothing. Alright. Cover that up so you guys can't find. What does this look like? It says Zippo on the bottom. Here's your instructions on how to fill a Zippo. Yes, you're right. Side. It is the Zippo starter kit. This is $15, 18 including shipping. And yeah, what can we wait for? Just get into this baby. Cut it. A second here. I'll cut it right back. Put the camera down though. Right back as soon as I finish cutting it. Never liked these type of packages, but you know what? I do like it. Plastic stuff. Picture Zippo right here. Aside for now. Your lighter fluid. Zippo premium lighter fluid. We all know what that is. We got our flints. 6 flints. Focus. Focus. Like this. No. Refuse. Just focus. Right there. Zippo. Read and declare. Genuine flints. We got our... I got this. Apologize for putting the camera down so many times. This really is quite massive. Timing here. Alright. So this is out. This is just guarantee. Telling you anything that happens. It also advertises other Zippo products. Like the Zippo Blue, which nobody likes. Set that aside. Let's get right to the lighter. And close this. Fill it out of the package. Zippo Blue, nobody likes you. Get away. This is the Zippo itself. Oh. Warning label. Forgot about that. Let's remove that. Like I said again, I apologize for putting the camera down so many times. But there are certain tasks you can't do without 2 hands. By the way, this is a street chrome Zippo, if you haven't noticed. What the fuck? That's awkward. Zippo click, and you've got... Oh, pretty sure it'll spark. There you go. Got quite some tension on this. But it's good. Then we've got our Zippo markings here. Put this over here. To the light. Focus. It'd be great if it would focus. So this was made in January? No, wait. It was made last year. Doesn't matter. Month. Don't matter. To me. Street cream Zippo. So, suppose, oh my god, I went wrong. I can't open the Zippos. It's the thing I have with brand new Zippos. There it is. You've got your wick inside. There it is. Your chimney. Your insert. Go ahead and pull this insert out. Teach you how to fill it. Okay. Expected that to be a little harder. Put our case aside. Take our lighter fluid. Right here. Zippo lighter fluid. And open it up. Trick that I learned for YouTubers. Open the Zippo fluid with the lid of your Zippo. It's open? No. What I'm going to do is we're going to flip it like this. Put your insert in there, upside down. Sure. Oh. Very important before you try to do this. Flip the cam up. Like that. Now you can put it in. Do that right now. There you go, you've got the insert in the case. So now, you're going to want to stick something in this little hole. This one. You don't have to worry about that. That's the flint, spring, screw. Lift the felt padding is what we have to worry about right now. So we'll go ahead and do that. Put the camera down again. God. Why you no lift? So we got, oh, there goes that. We've got the felt up. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to squirt this in here. Carefully not overfill. If you start seeing like little puddle, you've overfilled it. Don't do that. It's a bad idea. Now, what you're going to want to do, set this down here. It's actually going to be a good view. I'm not going to be able to move, moving this other flints. Zippo. God damn. Zippo. Let's fill this here. Let's fill this. Let's fill this up. Oh god, that's stupid. Oh, whatever. Squirt it in there. I know I spilled it. Happens. Spilled it twice now. Saturate that. That'll be good. Should be great. Put our Zippo fluid over here. Close our Zippo. Clean that up right now. Put your insert the right way back in. Flip your cam. Close your Zippo and clean the mess. Let me go get a tissue. Whoa. Clean the mess. Just like that. It's gone. Shake it out a little. This isn't simple. Shake it up. Flip open your Zippo. And we've got fire. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got fire. So yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Teach you how to fill a Zippo there and unboxed it for you. Overall, Zippos are really amazing lighters. I love them. Something I want to tell everyone out there that's planning to get a Zippo, right here, a Zippo. So this time let's see if I can focus on the markings. Focus, focus. Okay, almost there, almost got it. No, it refuses. But it really all just says Bradford, made in USA, as an I, or, yeah, I, 12. Rick. What I am going to tell you is that anybody out there, these lighters will have an odor to them. I'm at 10 minutes. I have to hurry up here. These lighters will have an odor to them. They are not like a regular butane lighter that has no odor to it. They will have an odor. I personally think that just adds to a Zippo, in my opinion. You know, that's just my opinion. But there it is. A starter kit. You get flints, 6 of them, plus the one in your lighter. You get 4-ounce can. Focus. Okay, you can read that. 4-ounce cans of Zippo lighter fluid. 1. And then this little package thing. With the camera here. Package. All-in-one kit. Windproof lighter. Lighter fluid. Genuine flame. Okay. It comes with your guarantee booklet. It tells you how to fill the Zippo. For starters. It tells you how to replace the wick and everything. You've got some advertising of other Zippo lighters. The OUL. The hated Zippo Blue. The hand warmer. And just the candle lighter. Also, yeah, this is pretty much it. Pretty much it for this video. So, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Oh, by the way, sorry. I forgot. You never end like that. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to subscribe. If you don't, then don't subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.